Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT login not working. If you're trying to log into your ChatGPT account but you are not being able to do that, then you've landed in the right place. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. If you're not being able to log into your ChatGPT account, then the first thing to do is to make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Try switching between a different Wi-Fi network if available and find the best connection for yourself. Next, open up the web browser that you are trying to log in with for ChatGPT and refresh your web browser for a couple of times. If that still doesn't work, then the next thing to do is to click on the three dots at the top right of your web browser and click on Settings. Click on Privacy and Security tab from the left-hand side of the screen and try clearing your browsing data by clicking on Clear Browsing Data option. In the pop-up, select the Cookies and Other Site Data and Cache Images and Files option and click on Clear Data. Soon after you clear your data from this pop-up, you'll be able to fix your issue right away. You can go back to the login area for ChatGPT and try logging in again. If that still doesn't work, then try updating your web browser. From the settings menu, click on the About button at the bottom and check for available update for your web browser. Once your web browser is up to date, you might be able to fix your issue. If you are connected to any kind of security software or antivirus software, make sure to disable it temporarily since that might be interfering with your login process for ChatGPT. Also, make sure that the software that you are using on your device is updated to the latest version. If not, you might not be able to use most of the services out there. So make sure that all of the software updates are done. Simply go ahead and open up settings from your device and click on Windows Update button at the bottom. Go ahead and try updating your Windows, and once it completes, go back to the login area for ChatGPT and try logging in again by entering your email and password. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're not being able to log into your ChatGPT account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.